everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this beautiful sunflower shaped butter cookies. This is very easy to make. This is not just beautiful, it's super crunchy and delicious as well. I hope you will try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Let's get started. To my mixing bowl, I added in softened butter. Please make sure your butter is in room temperature. If not, keep it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and that should be enough. I then sieved in powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and I added in vanilla extract. I'll mix until everything has come together before going in with the egg. So after everything has come together, I added in one egg and then mix everything to well combine before going in with the dry ingredients. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I added in the flour and baking powder, sieve in all, but make sure you do it bit at a time until you've sieved in all. And then the last ingredient that I added was yellow food color. Mix until everything has come together until it has formed a dough, but it's going to be sticky. Don't worry, at the end I'll add in more flour. So I took about 1/3 of the butter out and then I added in cocoa powder. Make sure you sieve in your cocoa powder. There's about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So if you mix and it's very sticky, all you have to do is to add in about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of flour to it, and that should be enough. You do not want it that hard, either too sticky. The consistency should be like this. So the one without the cocoa powder, it should be the same consistency of the one with the cocoa powder. I added in the last cup of the flour and then I mixed together. You want both to be the same consistency. I'll list the exact amounts that I used. So mix until it has formed a dough, and it should be something like this. So as you can tell, it's of the same of the cocoa powder one, of the chocolate one. Transfer it on the parchment paper. Make sure you press it to flatten it a little bit, and then on top put another parchment paper. Roll it very thin. The thickness should be around 3 to 4 millimeters. Do the same to the chocolate one, and then keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I took it out and then I used this kind of scone cutter to cut a round shape as seen in the video. So this was very easy, and as you can tell from the video, it was very solid because I kept it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So the rest, all you have to do is to bring them together, roll it, and then start cutting it again. Next is to take out the middle. I use a scone cutter that is smaller than what you use for the bigger one, and then take out the middle. So use the same thing to make a round shape as seen in the video, and then put it in the middle of the one without the chocolate. So it should be something like this when done, and as you can tell from the video, this is very easy. It's extremely easy. Just follow the procedure step by step and you'll make it. It was delicious. Your kids are going to love it. So I use a fork that has a sharp edge like this, around, not that large, not that small. So as you can tell from the video, all you have to do is to make some lines on it, and then you can use this kind of pastry too, or you use a toothpick to make little holes inside, and you're good to go, guys. Just look at this. This is not just beautiful, it was delicious. It turned out crunchy, very beautiful. So you can use this as a gift. You can make it as a gift for a friend, and she will love it, or you will love it. Bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 12 to 15 minutes. Maximum should be 18 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 12 to 15 minutes. Maximum, it should be 18 minutes. And look at it, guys. This is not just beautiful, it was super crunchy and delicious as well. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you just give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and see you till then.